Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 5 minus 9 bracket 5 minus 9. So in this type of expression, many people fail to solve. Why? Because they make a mistake like 5 minus 9 as minus 4, 5 9 minus 9 as minus 4 and minus 4 times minus 4 as 16. And they think that this is the correct answer, but it's not. Yes. When an expression like this, you have given multiple operation like subtraction, bracket. In bracket, there's a subtraction. Then always follow BODMAS or PEMDAS rule. As per this rule, first we have to solve the bracket, then of, then division, multiplication, both have same parity. Similarly, addition and subtraction. So first we solve the bracket. So 5 minus 9 is minus 4. And if there is no sign between a number and a bracket, then put multiplication. Now we have two operations, that is multiplication and subtraction. So we have to give priority to multiplication. So 9 times 4 is 36 and minus minus is plus. And 36 plus 5 or 5 plus 36 is 41. So what is the correct answer? 41, not 16. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.